Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Good morning everyone, I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today we're going to do masoor dal with carrots. So it's masoor lentil soup. As you can see, here it is, masoor gota, which is masoor lentils, the red, and this is how it's going to look like once it's done. So as you can see, I have washed my masoor lentils, about a cup, and I added 2 carrots to it. Now you can add anything you want. You can add beets, you can add celery, as much vegetables as you wish to add to it. And then I'm going to add salt and turmeric according to my taste. So I'm gonna add like half a teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of salt, because this is quite a lot. And then you can add some spices, chili pepper, you can add some garam masala, vegetable masala, some chopped chili pepper, cilantro. That also according to your taste, how spicy you like, how mild you like. So let's do it. I'm just going to cook it for 20 to 30 minutes until everything is softened. Here I added all my spices. So as you can see, there's some chili pepper, garam masala powder, vegetable masala powder, salt and turmeric, and it's going to cook about 20 to 30 minutes until everything is soft and melted. So as you can see, this is my red lentil soup with carrot, and as I told you, you can add beets, celery, whatever you wish, even brown rice to it, and make it like a khichdi. So this is very tasty, very healthy, and full of proteins. As you know, red lentils are full of protein. So thank you, try it. So I'm going to make eggplant. I have this eggplant. I'm going to wash it and cut it in circles, and then I have this pan with little bit of oil, 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm going to add the cut eggplant to it and cook it. So as you can see, I washed, clean, and cut my eggplant into circles and put turmeric and salt in it. And now I'm going to cover it up in very low heat and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes or maybe 20 minutes, but I have to check on them frequently and turn them over as they start losing their water. And I do not add anything to it, just salt and turmeric, and cook in a very low heat, and cover it so it gets soft. And then at the end I will turn them to make sure they're nicely roasted. And all I have used is 1 teaspoon of olive oil. That's it. So my eggplant is done, steaming hot, and I cooked it in only 1 teaspoon of olive oil and a little bit of salt, a little bit of turmeric. I'm going to make French fries with potato with the skin on. So I have a little bit of oil. And I'm going to cook them in low heat for 10 to 15 minutes until they're soft. And all I'm going to add is a little bit of salt. My potatoes with the skin on is cooking, and I'm going to give it 10 more minutes and then saute with a little bit of salt. So here's my potato fry, and this has been done in 1 teaspoon oil, and this has the skin on it. So it's like a steamed potato or potato fry, whatever you call it, but I do not do deep fry. And this is very tasty. I just added some black pepper on the top and a little bit of salt. So this is the dough. How I make the dough: just warm water and the flour as much as needed. You have to be careful not to make it too soft or too oil, and then add little bit of olive oil and little bit of salt. So I put the dough in this rolling, so roll the dough in this one with my rolling pin. So I need my both hand to roll it. So I'll just roll the dough and then I put it in my hot pan. You can see my dough is rolled in this rolling pan, and now I'm going to put it in the hot pan. So my roti is on the hot pan, and you just are gonna have to be patient and let it cook one side, and then you flip the other side. Don't be impatient. Like if you are very impatient, then your roti will get stuck to it. So wait enough time. When you pick up like this and it still comes out easily, and it will only happen if your pan is hot enough. If you put your rolled out roti or bread to a cold pan, then it will get stuck to it. So make sure your pan is preheated. So now it's going to cook slowly, and so I'm making bread. This is called roti, and this is from whole wheat flour. So this is how I cook the roti on the oven. So it says cook now. These are the cooked rotis. They look like this. So I make a whole bunch of them and keep it so I can use it whenever I need it. Today I'm going to make this pasta. So I'm boiling the pasta in a little bit of salt water, and once it's soft I'm going to make it with a little bit of milk and goat cheese. So as you can see, I have added the milk, little bit of milk, and to that I'm going to add this pasta, and I'm not going to use any salt. I will use little bit of pepper later because you see the cheese is salty. So this is goat cheese, plain goat cheese. Goat cheese is alternative to other cheese, and a lot of people cannot eat the other cheese, so they prefer goat cheese. So I'm just going to melt it in this one. And so as you can see, my creamy pasta is ready, and this is made with goat cheese and milk and just a little bit of black pepper. That's it. And you can add some vegetable in it too.
Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.